Hello everyone! Are you curious about how often cats should be bathed? Let's explore. In general, most cats are proficient self-groomers and do not require regular baths like some other pets. Cats have a natural grooming instinct and spend a significant amount of time licking and cleaning themselves to keep their fur clean and free of dirt, debris, and excess oil. Bathing a cat too frequently can strip their skin and coat of essential oils, leading to dryness, irritation, and potential skin problems. However, there are certain situations where bathing may be necessary or beneficial for your cat's health and hygiene. For example, if your cat gets into something sticky or oily, such as tar, paint, or motor oil, a bath may be necessary to remove the substance and prevent it from being ingested during grooming. Similarly, cats with certain medical conditions, such as allergies, skin infections, or parasites, may benefit from occasional baths with medicated shampoos prescribed by a veterinarian. Some long-haired or elderly cats may also require occasional baths to help manage matting, tangles, or soiling in hard-to-reach areas. However, it's essential to approach bathing with caution and use gentle, cat-safe shampoos specifically formulated for feline skin and coat. In general, most healthy cats do not need regular baths, and overbathing can do more harm than good. Instead, focus on providing regular brushing and grooming sessions to help remove loose hair, reduce shedding, and prevent matting. This can also help distribute natural oils throughout the coat and promote healthy skin and fur. If you do need to bathe your cat, it's essential to take your time, use lukewarm water, and avoid getting water in their ears or eyes. Always use a gentle touch and positive reinforcement to help keep your cat calm and comfortable during the bathing process. In summary, while most cats do not require regular baths, there are certain situations where bathing may be necessary for their health and hygiene. It's essential to approach bathing with caution and use gentle, cat-safe products to avoid skin irritation or other problems. Focus on providing regular grooming and hygiene care to help keep your cat clean, comfortable, and healthy. Please like the video and follow the channel for more related content. You can also support us on Patreon so we can create more informational content like this. In exchange, we will feature your name in up to 1,000 videos every single month. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.